What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to embed or embedding Medium blog posts into your WordPress website in a very simple, easy and free method, okay? So first of all, let's review Medium. Medium is a blogging platform from the creators of Twitter. They promised to change the way that we publish, but in fact it's a very easy place to start a blog because it's free, okay? And you can read some amazing posts on Medium, okay? I really like it. Visual Modo has a profile on there, as you can review right here. And you can read a lot of posts on Medium, okay? It's really simple, the platforms work great, you can monetize your content sometimes, but it's not WordPress, and you basically can edit lots of things and can transform your blog in another thing, for example, a tools, a course website, a learning website. So you may like to embed the latest blog posts from your Medium profile on your WordPress website, and this is what we're gonna learn right here, okay? So let's combine the power of Medium and the customizability of WordPress, okay? The customability, maybe? And before anything, please hit the subscribe button, like this video, because we bring daily videos to our YouTube channel on Visual Modo for every part of internet. We are all about using internet on your favor, okay? So WordPress, SEO, marketing, themes, templates, plugins, design, development, sales, and many more things related to the internet world, okay? So after you already hit the subscribe button, let's go. First of all, we're gonna need to have the Medium account or profile RSS feed, and how to get it. First of all, you need to know the Medium username. In this case, it's this one, okay? In this case, you're just gonna type this one, medium.com, and add feed, okay? So /feed. Let me show it for you. Here we go. Here is the feed. Simple and easy. In the case that you did not purchase the domain name on Medium, you can just type the feed before your profile URL, okay? So just like this one, medium.com at Visual Modo, medium.com/feed/Visual Modo. So the profile username is Visual Modo. So we have two ways, okay? Two different ways. I'm gonna leave both links into the video description, so no need to worry. You just need to know your profile URL, your profile name, or your profile domain, okay? This is simple as it is. Now, copy this RSS feed and let's go to the WordPress part. That is where the fun begins. We are here on your WordPress dashboard, okay? So you can do this on page or on blog posts. You can do this using Elementor Page Builder, using Oxygen, using the blog editor or Gutenberg. So let's start using Gutenberg, okay? So I went to blog, posts, add new, or you can do this in a footer part of your site using a widget, using the sidebar, for example. It depends on your needs, but if you are right here in the Gutenberg editor, the blog editor, just go right here, click into this small plus icon and search for RSS, okay? So you're gonna find this widget, okay? The RSS feed, and here is where we're gonna post our Medium RSS feed. This is how it comes by default, but we're gonna edit this part, okay? So review the right sidebar of elements from RSS. First of all, we have the number of posts. We can changing, for example, for 10, in the case that you are in some page and you would like to do a blog index page. We can display the post author. You can display the post date. And you can display the accept. As soon as you set to display the accept, you can increase the amount of characters on the accept. 72 in this case. After this, we can edit the layout, okay? So we can do this into a grid view, for example. That looks fantastic, and you can apply this into some section to keep your readers engaged, to link your WordPress posts to Medium posts. Let me publish this content so we can review, okay? Let's preview. And here is our Medium posts present on our WordPress website. If you click on it, it's gonna lead you to the Medium post so the person can read it from Medium. But the post is linked to WordPress. Simple, fast, effective, and easy. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com blog of amazing WordPress tutorials and many tips for internet on your favor. Subscribe this channel. I'm gonna leave some links into the first comment of this video for very useful sources, okay? From a place where you can purchase a hosting plan in a very cheap price, from a place where you can purchase a domain name for 99 cents, to a place where you can download design assets for free, like Photoshop templates, image, videos, icons, fonts, and lots of things, okay? In addition, in the case that you are in need of a free amazing WordPress theme and a free amazing WordPress plugin, go to wordpress.org and search for Enzo WordPress theme and Borderless WordPress plugin. Both works great and have tons of features for free, including this one, that is the WordPress native one, okay? So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below. Feel free to use the comment section below to share your sites, to share your Medium profiles. You are free to do it, okay? I'm gonna be happy in review and read your blog posts as well. And let me know if you are using this, if you're using Medium or WordPress, or what is your favorite, okay? So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you later. All the best!